The method that's most commonly used in laptops is to use a heat pipe. That's this strange bar you'll see inside your laptop running between the processor and the fan. Inside this is a small amount of liquid and a wick. The heat of the processor is transferred into the pipe, and this heat will cause the liquid inside to boil and evaporate. The vapor moves towards the opposite end, which is cooler, because the fan is blowing ambient air across the surface of the heat pipe, and this removes the excess heat. This removal of heat causes the vapor to condense back into a liquid, and this liquid flows back along the wick to pick up more heat, and so the cycle repeats. These also have a performance limit. To increase the heat removal, we have to start using these larger and larger units, which obviously take up a lot of space and blow the heat over other components. Okay guys, that's it for this video, but to continue your learning, then check out one of the videos on screen now, and I'll catch you there for the next lesson. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, as well as theengineeringmindset.com.